Hi, I'm Cinnamon Cooney, your Art Sherpa, and I'm beyond excited to invite you to join me for an incredible artistic adventure this October in the beautiful autumn-kissed city of Ann Arbor, Michigan. The retreat is a chance to completely immerse yourself in your art, explore new techniques, and connect with fellow creatives who share your passion, all while being surrounded by the beauty of the fall season. This art retreat is all about you and your creative journey over 4 unforgettable days. You'll indulge in amazing dining experiences with all-inclusive meals and snacks that keep you fueled for creativity. And when it comes to art, we're embracing the rich colors and textures of autumn. You'll participate in 2 acrylic painting classes, 1 watercolor class, a drawing class, an oil pastel class, 2 Zentangle classes, a special techniques class with me, and a Glamma Jamma art party, all inspired by the stunning fall landscape around us. Guess what? You don't need to worry about bringing any art supplies. We have got everything covered. Just bring yourself, your creativity, and maybe an extra suitcase because you'll be going home with not only beautiful new artwork featuring the autumn's vibrant hues, but also a bundle of high-quality art supplies. Trust me, you'll want that extra room for all the goodies and masterpieces that you will be creating. I cannot wait till you see the goodies. Also thrilled to have guest instructor Delphine Douillet joining us. Delphine is a certified Zentangle instructor and longtime Sherpa who has taught classes at Pinterest events across the country. She'll be leading 2 Zentangle sessions where you can experience the relaxing and meditative art of Zentangle. Whether you're new to Zentangle or a seasoned doodler, Delphine's classes will open up a world of creativity. You will be learning in small, intimate group settings with plenty of opportunities to ask questions, get personalized guidance from me, and really grow as an artist. After 4 days of painting, drawing, arting, and connecting, you'll not only leave with a treasure trove of creative tools, but also with beautiful memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. Now, look, I get that the time or expense of a full art retreat is not for everybody. So if you're in the area or just want to dip your toes into the creative experience, I'm also hosting a free paint and greet event on Thursday, October 24th from noon to 3. This is your chance to paint with me live at no cost, just fun. We'll be working on my baby's breath painting and all materials are going to be provided. You only need to bring yourself. The painting session will run from 12 to 2 p.m., followed by a meet and greet and photo session from 2 to 3 p.m. Spots are limited. Be sure to register early. Information for registration and the retreat is in the description down below. So look, whether you're joining us for the full art retreat or just popping in for the paint and greet, I cannot wait to meet you and create something truly special together. So come and be part of this unforgettable experience. Sign up today. Description down below, and let's make art, share laughs, and create memories this October in Ann Arbor. I want you to be good to yourself, be good to each other, and I'll see you at an art retreat real soon. Bye-bye.